Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. Okay, so there's a few ways you can actually do this, and this will differ from person to person, from shop to shop. So let's just jump straight in. So you need to be on your Shopify admin dashboard, click on orders to view all of your unfulfilled orders that are awaiting processing. Now you can carefully check all of the order details, pick the correct items from your inventory, and pack them securely for your shipping. Generate and print shipping labels using Shopify shipping, or connect an external carrier for your label creation. And then the next step is to add tracking information. Now, what you will do is enter the tracking number and the carrier information into the order details to automatically notify the customer and give the customer all of those details. You now need to also update your order status to fulfilled to sync your system and trigger the customer confirmation emails. You then need to ship the available items first when products are out of stock or located in different warehouses. So you will be able to handle partial orders like this. Then you need to drop packages at your carrier's location or arrange convenient pickups to complete the fulfillment process. Now, this is the manual process, right? And this is if you've deactivated the automatic fulfillment in settings. And this is if you want complete manual control. But it's good to always double check your packaging quality and shipping information before sending anything to avoid any costly errors, as well as returns and also customer dissatisfaction.